Okay, isang awitin para sa mga 40 pataas katulad ko. Ibig sabihin matanda na. No, bata pa tayo. Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this, that you give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. Matanda na pa tayo? Di ba hindi pa? Kaya pa natin kumanta. When we're far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. O, diba? Sa mga followers ko dyan na 40 pataas, para sa inyo yun.